numbers from 41 to 50, Mahilini. Hazel, erase that numbers from the second box and then you leave one line and write. The whole row, leave one row and write in the next row.
Ma'am, I told her to write, ma'am, but she wrote like this only. So
No, we are going to find out the before number and after number. So you can't draw that curve, no? Arrow.
Okay. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Maradhyani. Take your slate and write numbers from 41 to 50. Very good morning, Marudwin. Take your slate and write numbers from 41 to 50, Rudwin. Rudwin, Radhyani, Sukrit Gautam. Everyone write numbers from 41 to 50. Leave space and write, children, because you are going to draw the arrow. If you don't have space, you cannot draw the arrow. Like this, you will be writing in the boxes, right? The next row, you leave it. Don't write in the next row. அதுக்கப்புறமா இருக்கிற ரோல மட்டும் எழுதுங்க. Okay? 46, 47, 48, 49. Like this it should be. You should have some space. Then only you can draw the arrow, children. Finished, everyone?
Excuse me, ma'am. What is the activity? We just joined.
Mahilini.
No, Sarah.
Sarah, yes, Sarah's there.
Yes, ma'am.
Just copy down the numbers, Sarah, from 41 to 50. Okay, in your slate. Don't write in your notebook. Write in your slate. Okay?
Okay.
Mahini, mute yourself. It's very good, Jason. Keep it as it is, children. Don't erase it. Varsha. Very good, Sukri. Finisher. Very good, Sukri.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ma Varsha. Come on, write the numbers from 41 to 50.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Visha. Don't erase it, Hazel. No. Okay, we'll finish our Kidsy anthem and then we'll start this activity. Keep it as it is. Very good, Sukriv. I saw yours, Ma. Good. Very good. Mahini also good. Very good girl, Mahini. Okay, come on, all of you. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Keep it as it is. Don't erase your slate, okay? Join your hands and close your eyes. Mitra gives the anthem. You are within me. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. Today I pledge
with all my might, I challenge you, my potential inside.
Yes, very good morning. Yeah, very good morning, children. Yes, very good morning to everyone. Come on, keep standing. Let's finish our warm-up activity, okay? Come on, it's one last time. Stop. Well done. Now all of you go drink one glass of water and come back. Dashwan. Dashwan. Dashwan is absent. Huh? Hazel. Very good, Hazel. Jason.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Jason. Keshav. 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 Keshav is not here, absent. Huh? Radhyani.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Radhyani. Keshav. Are you there, Keshav? Keshav.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. Rudvin. Rudvin. Very good, Rudvin. Sara.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, Sara. Ananya. Ananya. Absent. Sukriv Gautam.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Sukriv Gautam. Visha.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Visha. Kavi Kartika. Kavi Kartika. Absent. Mahirni.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Mahirni. Mitra.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Mitra. Taruneshwar. Very good, Taruneshwar. Varsha.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Varsha. Vihan.
Hey,
Vihan.
ma'am.
Very good, Vihan. Okay, children. Now take your slate, children, everyone. We have written numbers from 41 to 50, right? Take your slate and take your notebook, maths notebook also. Take your slate and math notebook also. Keep your slate aside. Take your math notebook. Write today's date, children. Today's date is 27/27-10-2121. His parents copy down these sums. We are going to find out the before number and the after number. Okay, copy these sums in the notebook. Copy down one sum, leave one line and copy down the other sum. Continuous copy பண்ணாதீங்க. If you have finished these three, let me know. Other two sums are there. Finished?
And ma'am, what have to write?
Copy this sum in the math notebook.
Okay.
Then they will do this. Using the slate, they will do this activity. First, you just copy down the questions and give it to them. Finish copying the three sums?
எஸ் மேம். அதே மாதிரி பாக்ஸ் போடணுங்களா மேடம்?
Yeah, draw a box and give it to them. Okay, next two sums shall I give you? Shall I erase it? Is there anyone still copying it down? Okay, fine. Next sum. Other two sums. Totally 5 sums you have. Finished? Yeah, let me come back to you.
Come
Ma'am?
back.
Ma'am, like we have to write down as you had mentioned, ma'am.
Yes,
Continuously.
I have written. Yeah, you have drawn the boxes and in the middle you have written one number, right?
Yeah. It's like all the 5 sums in a single page, ma'am.
Yeah, single page only. They'll
Okay.
use the slate, they'll find out the number and they'll write it in the notebook.
Okay.
Okay. Now take your slate, children. Find out in your slate. First, circle the number. First, what number is given between 4 to 42, right? Circle 42. Where is 42? Circle 42. 42 have circled. Now, what comes before 42? Before na mela ponum. You already remember, right? Before means up, after means down arrow. Okay? So, what is before 42? 41. Okay? And then what is after 42? 43. Yes? First write the before number, children. 4, 1, 41. And then 41, 42, 43. That automatically you know. 41, 42 சொன்னாலே உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிடும் automatically next number is 43. So before number alone if you find out also it will be easy for you. Slowly do it, children. Don't confuse yourself. Slowly take your time and do it one by one. Before number na மேல you have to go up. After number na கீழே வரணும். After number you all very well know how to find out the after number. So when you find out the before number it will be very easy for you to find out the after number. It's finished. Shall we move on to the second sum? Second sum is number 45, right? Circle number 45. Circle the number 45. Now find out the before number. Before number na 45 க்கு மேல என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கு அந்த நம்பர் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். What is the number that is before 45? What number is there? Did anyone find out? Before 45. Yeah, 4, 4, 44. Write number 4, 4, 44 in your notebook. 4, 4, 44. Next number is 4, 5, 45. And what will come the next number? 44, 45. Very good. 46. Forty-four, 45, 46. Now next sum. 48. See, where is 48? Circle number 48, 48. 48, 48. Now what is before 48? 48 க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன இருக்கு மேல என்ன இருக்கு? Which number is before 48? Before 48 na go up. 4, 7, 47. Very good. Very good, Jason. Now write 47 in your notebook. Four, 7, 47. Now see what comes next. 47, 4, 8, 48. And the next number is 4, 9, 49, 47, 48, 49. 4, 9, 49. Taruneshwar, why ma you are crying? தருணேஸ்வர் அம்மா அழ வச்சிங்கன்னா ஒண்ணுமே புரியாது தருணேஸ்வர் அம்மா அழகுலதான் இருப்பாங்க. Children, if you have doubts, you can ask me, children. உங்களுக்கு புரியலன்னா மேம் புரியல அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். Okay, don't cry for that. Okay,
before number after numberங்கிறது தெரியலனா எப்படி மேம் ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ண வைக்கிறது? லைக்
before number after number class Sukrit didn't attend.
I think he didn't, ma'am.
He didn't attend. Can you please wait after the session?
Okay.
Before number na மேல இருக்க number Sukrit. See here, now we have circled one number, no? ஒரு number circle பண்ணீங்களா? அதுக்கு மேல இருக்க number தான் before number. Okay? Before number na அதுக்கு மேல வரும். அந்த நம்பருக்கு மேல இருக்கிறது தான் before number. Just one வா.
மேல இருக்கிற நம்பரையும் சர்க்கிள் பண்ணுமான்னு கேக்குறாங்க. எனக்கு அது
Don't circle, you draw the line. Don't circle. Circle பண்றது வந்து what number you are going to find out the before number. Middle number மட்டும் தான் circle பண்ணனும். Okay? Before number you have to draw the line. 48 ல இருந்து ஒரு லைன் வரைங்க before number. அவ்வளவுதான்.
சோ மேல இருக்க நம்பர் 40 before number தான் சொல்லி கொடுக்கணும்.
ஆமா, கீழ இருக்க நம்பர் after number.
கீழ இருக்கிற நம்பர் அவன் அடுத்தது அவனே எழுதிறான். சோ அது அப்படியே
that they will automatically write because they have already done that activity. For that only when they find out the before number, it is going to be easy for them to find the after number.
Okay. So
note down பண்ணாங்கனாலே தெரிஞ்சிரும். 47, 48 automatically 49 எழுதிவாங்க. But before number it will be very difficult for them to find out. That's what we are doing like this.
Okay. So sumல இருக்கிற क्वेश्चனை வந்து ரவுண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு
first circle பண்ணிட்டு பண்ணனும்.
Okay.
Now the next sum is 43, right children? 43 தானே? 4, 3, 43. Now find out the number that is before 43. Before means up. Go up one number. What number you get? What number you get?
This one number. Two. 42.
Very good, Radhyani. Super, Kanna. 4 to 42. Chamath. Good.
42.
Come on, write the number 42 in your notebook. And now next number you are going to find out automatically. It will be very easy. 42, 43. What will come next?
44.
Super, Hazel. 44. Good. Good, Hazel. Mitra, can you understand, Mitra? Why you are very quiet today?
Yes, ma'am. She's doing the last number.
Okay, fine. She is very quiet today. She used to answer, no? That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, Vihan. Why I didn't get any answers from Vihan, Varsha, Visha? What are you all doing?
Finish.
Hey, all the sums you finished, Varsha. Very good girl, Varsha.
46.
Super, ma. Okay, next. Yeah, next sum is 46, right? Come on, circle number 46. Oh, I have written it here. You just draw the arrow for the before number, children. 46 க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன நம்பர் வரும்? அந்த நம்பருக்கு ஒரு arrow. Draw an arrow and find out.
5.
Yes, very good. 45, 45, 46. What will be the next number? 40. Super, Mavisha. 47. Very good, children. Any doubts, children? Is there anyone having doubts? Before number, after number? Mahirni, are you able to understand, Mahirni? I think Mahirni also didn't attend class on that day. Before number and after number.
Yes, ma'am. She could get it after.
Yeah, I'll tell you the session number. You check for the video, sir.
Okay, okay.
Very good, Jason. Very good, all of you. Parents, please check whether they have done it correctly. Taruneshwar, are you able to understand, ma? Purida Taruneshwar ke? Very good, Radhyani. Yes? Taruneshwar,
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
he is able to understand?
Yeah, now understand, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Yes, very good, children. Well done. Fine. Now all of you stand up. Let's play a game, color game. And then we'll do another activity. Yes? All of you stand up. We are going to play color game. Okay? So the colors, you are going to bring vegetables. Eatable materials. Not the ordinary materials that is present in your home. Eatable. That is fruits or vegetables or snacks. Which is in that color you are going to bring. Okay? Go and search and bring. Don't ask your parents to help. Okay? You are going to search and bring. Okay? Color. What color do you choose? Green. Green. Green color, vegetable or fruit or snacks, whatever it is. But don't bring toys, don't bring clothes or any plastic material, don't bring it. Very good. What did you bring, ma? Bitter gourd. What is that? Ridge gourd. Very good, Hazel. Ridge gourd. Jason, I told you no plastic material. Have to bring any vegetable, fruit or any snack. Leaf. Very good, Vihan. Green chilli. Lady's finger. Very good. And then Keshav brought some vegetable. I don't know what is that. Very good. Lady's finger. Mitra. Cucumber. Sukriv Gautam. Kiwi gourd. Very good. Good. Well done. Now color. What color do you choose? Red. Red. Red color fruit or red color vegetable. Very good, Mahini. Super. Next red color. Curry leaves. Okay. Red color kondu vanga odi poi. Come on. Run. Red. Tomato. Very good.
Red color tomato.
Very good. Red color tomato. Good. Everyone brought tomato. Someone has brought apple. I think it is Sugriv Gautam. Sugriv, is it apple or tomato?
What is this Sugriv? Apple or tomato?
Huh? Apple. Pomegranate. Very good. Well done. Super children. Everyone, most of you have brought tomato. Very good, Sara. Very good, Rudvin. Good children. Okay. Now, where is Mahini? Missing,
இருந்ததானே இல்லை ஓ இருக்கா
உங்களுக்கு தெரியல see very good Kanna. Okay, next color, what color do you choose? What shall we choose? It is orange. Any snacks item, if you have orange color paper, yes, biscuit color paper or fruit or vegetable, you don't have, no problem, any material you can choose. Very good, Varsha. Hey, very fast, Varsha, you are. Yes, good day, biscuit cover. Very good, Varsha. Sorry, Sara. Good. Sara. Orange. Very good. Good, Hazel. Very good. Carrot, Sugriv Gautam. What is that, Kesha? Is that a pumpkin? Yes, very good. Orange, carrot, pumpkin, and then again. Good day, biscuit. Ravis. Very good. Well done. Yes, what did Hilni bring? Edu illa edu irukko edutittu vaanga, no problem. What do you have? You can bring. Orange color. Very good girl. Very good children. Okay. Thank you so much, children. All of you come and sit in your place. Game is over. Very good. Come and sit in your place. Everyone keep the vegetables aside. Sit in your place. Next we'll have some recap of birds. Okay, we have learned about birds, right? So we'll have another recap of birds. Okay. Yeah, come on, tell me children, how the birds will fly? Which it will use to fly? What they will use to fly? What is the body part of that bird that it used to fly? What is that body part? Wings. What is that? Wings. Yes. Birds use wings to fly. Okay. So, very good, Mitra. First is sparrow. Sparrow. What bird is this? Peacock. Very good. What bird is this? Eagle. Very good. This? Ostrich. Who said it is ostrich? Flamingo. It is pink in color. Flamingo. Parrot. Parakeet. Very good. What is this? Owl. Very good, children. What is this? Kingfisher. Okay, kingfisher. It is not kingfish. It is kingfisher. Okay. And then dove. Again dove, Vihan. Dove will be white in color, Vihan. Okay. This is pigeon. Pigeon. Next. Vulture. Very good. Vulture. Very good. Next we are going to see crane. Very good. Crane. There are many types of crane, children. Okay. So crane. Next we are going to see another bird. What is this? Woodpecker. 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 Okay. Next we are going to see the flightless bird. Flightless bird na another. What is flightless bird? What is Parakuma? Flightless bird will fly? No. Flightless bird cannot fly. That's what we say it as flightless. Okay, flightless bird. Abhina, it cannot fly. That is called as flightless bird. Okay. So see here. First flightless bird is penguin. Next is kiwi. Kiwi fruit. Remember the kiwi fruit. You will automatically remember the flightless bird also. Next, Ostrich. And next, emu. Ostrich, emu. Why they cannot fly? Can anyone tell me? Why they are not able to fly? எதுக்கு பறக்க முடியல அவங்களால? Why they are not able to fly? Because they are very heavy. Okay, they are very heavy, so they cannot fly high in the sky. Okay, thank you, children. Next, we are going to see and words. We have already learned at words. Today, we are going to see and words, children. Now, take your English notebook, everyone. Take your English notebook, write today's date, and copy down all these and words, children. Then we'll blend it to read, okay? C. What is the phonic sound of C? K. And then An is an. K and can. The picture is given. What is can? Can. Next one. What is the phonic sound of F? F. F and fan. Okay, F and fan. An is and, right? So F and fan. Next is and and man. Man picture also is given. Next is P. See here. P. P and pan. P and pan. Next one. L and ran. Ran means ஓடுறது. L and ran. So copy down all these 6 words, children. A and words. Heading should be A and words. And then copy down like this. K plus and can. F plus and fan. M plus and man. Slowly copy it down, children. Need not draw the picture. Picture is for your reference, children. You need not draw. Parents, if you are willing to give practice for sentence reading, you can use it, he, she, and all you can use. And these 3-letter words also you can use. It is a fan. It is a can. It is a pan. Like that you can give practice also for reading when they are free. Regularly you have to practice, children. Then only you will know how to read a sentence. The sentence is not a thing that you will read word by word. Together you will be reading. So daily practice reading simple sentences, children. Mitra, finished writing? The same way how you read at words. Ka at cat, ba at bat. The same way you are going to read the an words also. At at and படிச்சோம்னா இப்போ next we are going to learn like an an an. All the words will end with the sound an. Like that it will end. Very good, Vihan. Mitra, finish. Very good, Hazel.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Finished all copying it down, all the 6 words. Arsha, Jason,
Yes, ma'am.
Visha, finished?
Yes, ma'am.
If others try to read, children, try reading it. Ka and can. F and fan. M and man. P and pan. R and ran. Keep your finger and read, children, one by one. First sound, next and sound, and then finally you have to blend all the 2 sounds together. Those are finished. Try to read. Finished, everyone? Very good, Sukri Gautam. Finish, huh? Good. Finish copying it down. Shall I stop sharing?
Jason writing.
Okay. Finish? Mahini, finish, huh? Good girl, Mahini. Super.
A fish bag.
Very good, Keshav. Taruneshwar, finish, ma. Sara.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good. Sara. Jason, finish.
Last word, ma'am, you can stop sharing and say. Now, plus and.
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 எழுது சொல்லிட்டே எழுது.
And.
Next will be your English worksheet, children. That is D78 LT. D78 LT.
E78.
LT. It may be in book number 3, I think. Book number 3. Check it in book number 3.
3 only.
D78 LT. Here you have W, X, Y and Z, children. First trace the alphabet and then you are going to circle the related picture first. Circle the related picture and then you color.
Ma'am, can you please page?
D78 LT. Workbook number 3. First phrase, children. W. W for window. What is the sound of W? W. I see the clouds moving. W. Okay? So window and watch. Violin sound of V. Like that you should not say, children. Violin sound. V is uv. Tribix went round the village. Ooh, it's not V. Okay? Next is X. Don't confuse with the phonic sounds, children. X. X for
Ma'am, third book,
take an
ma'am.
X-ray. Yeah, third book.
Ma'am, it's not there, ma'am.
The third book,
Yeah, ma'am.
check it whether it is in your second book itself. Till day 77 only is there in number 2. Let me check one minute. Yeah, till day 77 only we have in workbook number 2. So it will be in workbook number 3 only. It will not be in workbook number 2.
Ma'am, sorry, page number, ma'am.
D78 LT. Next is H. Yes. Yes, Marnie's mom. Sorry, Radhyani's mom.
No, ma'am. Only number and lots of birds and 58, 51 to 55, 58 ma'am.
Very good, very good.
78.
Day 78 ல எல்லா ஒர்க் ஷீட்டும் செக் பண்ணுங்க. D78 ல you will have math worksheet, LT worksheet and concept worksheet.
There only empty pages, ma'am.
LT இல்லைங்களா?
Between every page. Plainly there.
Oh, there may be a printing mistake. Maybe.
Okay.
Okay, let her observe, just observe, no problem.
Okay.
Next is Y, children. Y. Y for yo. And then yeah. If you have finished circling, you can start coloring, children. And then finally it is Z. Z for zebra and zip. You know what is zip? We already have done the activity also. Zipping and unzipping activity, right? After circling, start coloring, children. And children, today's homework, you will be writing math numbers from 57 to 60. 57 and 58 is day 76 worksheet, and 59 and 60 is day 77 worksheet. Okay, so finish till number 60 in your worksheet. We'll send you the copy also, don't worry, but just note it down. You have 2 worksheets today as homework.
Can you repeat the number, ma'am?
You want the page number or just the number what you have to write?
Anything is okay, ma'am. For homework only.
Number is 57 and 58 in day 76 worksheet.
Okay.
And then 77 you will have number 59 and 60.
Okay, ma'am. Totally from
Till
50
60 we have to finish. Yeah.
Okay.
Till 60, yeah. Very good. Finished, Amma? Mitra, finish? Yeah, good.
We need to color it, na?
Yeah, color it.
Color.
Zebra, you need not color, children. Zebra is already black and white. You need not color. Window, watch, X-ray, Xmas tree, yo-yo, yak, zip. All these pictures you color. Color it fast. Very good, Hazel. Hazel, if you are finished, you need not sit simply. You can write the numbers, Hazel. D76 worksheet. Don't waste time. Finish, Varsha. Yes? Did anyone call me? Everyone has finished your worksheet, children, coloring.
Mukta P. Page. A fish web.
Very good, Ma, Keshav.